You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this commune or town in France. If you want to learn more names of famous places and more very useful French vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned, alright? So let's break down how this is said in France. Saint-Rémy, Saint-Rémy, yes, the T is silent to saint in French, so it's not Saint-Rémy. Saint-Rémy, you could say in English, Saint-Rémy-De-Provence, meaning of Provence, of course. Saint-Rémy-De-Provence is how you say it in French. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, it'd be fine to say it in English as Saint-Rémy, again, not Saint-Rémy, Saint-Rémy-De-Provence, Saint-Rémy-De-Provence, or in French again, Saint-Rémy-De-Provence. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.